Of course, some of the pieces, no, the foundational pieces are there. We have the Beethoven symphonies. I think we played all 9 symphonies, at least several times in the past 100 years. In the last 15 years since I got involved, the only symphony by Beethoven we haven't done is the number 2. So I think we should do it soon. Of course, Carmen is very associated with the orchestra. The opera that we had in Tagalog is very, very special for our history. The Leonor Overture is also very, very special for our history. We played it a couple of times, even in the recent 10 years. We've done that work. So I don't think there's any specific piece. Of course, for my presentation, I used the title Unfinished Symphony by Schubert. And I'm trying to convince one of our guest conductors to do it this year, the Unfinished Symphony. Why unfinished? You know the history of that work. A symphony normally has 4 movements, but Schubert, after writing the second movement, which is a slow movement, you don't normally end a symphony with a slow piece, right? But Schubert finished it. Didn't want to finish it anymore. I mean, for him, that's finished. So people call it unfinished, but it's actually a beautiful, for him it's already a beautiful ending. But for us, we still need many things. No? The orchestra still need many things. We still need our own concert hall. We want to have that. We want, of course, always want higher salaries for the orchestra, retirement benefits, all of this, because these are all in the original intentions of the founders. They want to make orchestral music viable. They want to make it appreciated by people all over the Philippines, and it's not yet done. We're still doing it. We still need to do many of these things. There were some, Herbert Zipper sometime in the 1950s wrote, what he wanted to accomplish with the orchestra. The future, he called it the future of the Manila Symphony Orchestra. And there he wrote, we want to have a youth orchestra. Okay, so that one we fulfilled 10 years ago. So little by little, we're fulfilling those intentions of the original founders of the orchestra.
Hi, good afternoon.